The DigitalChalk Bulletins feature allows you to create informational messages that you can set to display either here on the Dashboard tab or on your login page below your login field. To create a bulletin, we'll begin by going to the Administration tab. Next, we'll choose the Bulletins System Management link. Then once we're on the Bulletins page, you'll notice that there is a Dashboard Bulletins tab and a Login Bulletins tab. Now, when you create your bulletin, you have the ability to specify whether it is a dashboard bulletin or a login page bulletin. So you can create your bulletin from either of these two tabs. To begin, we'll click the New Bulletin button. Next, we'll give our bulletin a name. Now, this name is simply a reminder for us what this bulletin is about. Next, we'll enter a message, which is simply the detail of our bulletin. Next, we'll choose a theme. Now, the default theme is light, which means it's going to be a white background, much like you see here. If you click the drop-down, you can choose a different color from the list. We'll choose primary so that our bulletin displays as a blue. Next, we specify whether this bulletin is going to display on the dashboard or the login page. So I'm going to choose Dashboard. And then we can choose whether this bulletin is always visible, meaning that it would always appear, or you can specify a specific date range as to when you wanted to publish and to expire this bulletin. I'm going to choose Always Visible and save. Now that I've saved the bulletin, we can go back to the dashboard. And here's where our bulletin appears. The message field of a bulletin is extremely versatile. For example, there are all kinds of font attributes that you could apply to text that you would put into the message field. You can use bulleting, you can insert hyperlinks, you can even edit the HTML or add HTML code to the bulletin. Additionally, let's say you wanted to have an image in your bulletin instead of text. Maybe your image has text in it. So you could simply erase any text that you had in your message, click the Insert Edit Image icon, add in the location of your image, click the OK button, and then save it. So at this point, if we go back to the dashboard, now we'll see our bulletin with an image instead of text.